Everyone says tech is the future, but nobody talks about the downsides. Let's be honest. Everyone on the internet tells you to learn to code, get into tech, and change your life. But nobody gives you the full picture. Today I'm being completely honest, the genuine pros and cons of an IT career in 2026. Watch this before you commit months to studying. The pros: why IT is genuinely amazing. 1. Salary. IT jobs consistently pay above the national average. Even junior roles start at above the national average wage of your country. 2. Remote work. The majority of IT roles are remote compatible. 3. Job security. Technology is only growing. Digital transformation means IT skills will be in demand for decades. 4. Global opportunities. An AWS or SAP certification is recognized in every country. You can work anywhere. 5. Variety. From coding to cloud to project management to data analysis, there's a role for every personality type. 6. Career progression. IT rewards people who keep learning. You can grow from junior to senior to architect to CTO. There's no glass ceiling based on your background. The cons: being honest. 1. It requires constant learning. Technology evolves fast. What's relevant today might be outdated in 5 years. You have to commit to lifelong learning, and not everyone enjoys that. 2. The barrier to entry can feel high. If you're starting from scratch, the first 6 months are humbling. There's a lot to absorb. 3. Screen fatigue is real. Most IT jobs involve 8+ hours in front of a screen. Over time, this affects some people's well-being. 4. Imposter syndrome is rampant. Even experienced IT professionals often feel like they don't know enough. The field is vast and it's easy to feel overwhelmed. 5. Competition. While there are plenty of jobs, the best-paying ones are highly competitive. The verdict: an IT career is absolutely worth it in 2026, if you go in with realistic expectations. The rewards are exceptional. But success requires genuine commitment, structured learning, and the resilience to push through the early challenges. If you're willing to put in 6 to 12 months of consistent effort, IT will pay dividends for decades. If you've decided IT is for you, Uplatz is here to help you get started with structured, affordable training on the skills employers actually want. Visit uplatz.com and explore courses in SAP, cloud, data science, Python, and more. Subscribe for more honest tech career content.